Okay guys, well I've already updated my battery box design. Went out and got some of this fluorine foam, nice carpeted on one side and kind of a thicker foam on the other side. So I'll show you what I've done. I had some advice from the commenters in the last video where I did the install, and they figured that maybe my box wasn't strong enough the way I had it in case of an accident or something. So what I've done is I've went out and got this is some cedar wood in there, and I've screwed a plank on the top and a plank this way holding the batteries in, and then I've lined it all around with that foam. Let's see in there. So I lined the bottom too with that foam. Some people are concerned that those screws might bite into the bottoms of the batteries. Well, that should beef it up, make it a little stronger, and it's protected all around. Might help in cold weather too, a little bit of insulation in the box. And now I can use both my straps on these hooks to hold that box even more secure in there. I think if I get in an accident, this will be the only thing left. Everything else will be all over the road, but this box will be sitting in this metal storage compartment. Well, there's version 2.0. Also added this strapping and a lock on the lid. Drilled some holes through the plastic. It's not going to stop a determined thief, but figure if some casual person gets this door open and starts to see that, it might dissuade them from getting too far. Can't protect everything, but that should help a bit. Even had enough of this stuff left over. Got it at Home Depot. Some kind of flooring. It was on for $24 Canadian, but it was unpacked. It was returned, so I got it for like $12 or something. 4 sheets, so I had enough to do my flooring in here too.